Welcome to Randy Curnow, Buick GMC. We have a 2012 Chevy Silverado work truck, two-wheel drive, 45,000 miles and some change. We do these walk-around videos so you get a better idea of the condition and the options on a vehicle than you would with traditional still photos. This vehicle has a full 8-foot bed liner, pretty low miles for a 2012, four-wheel ABS. Now let's have a look inside. This truck has a split bench. There's the center console. There's your headlight control. As you can see, this vehicle has 45,437 miles on it. You got the cruise control, tow package, stereo with your controls there, air conditioning. You got the rubber floor mats. This vehicle has a 4.3 liter V6, so it should get decent mileage. It's got a bed liner. That's going to conclude our walk around video for this 2012 Chevy Silverado 1500. Randy Curnow is located at 7707 State Avenue in Kansas City, Kansas. Our phone number is 913-334-1166. Hours of operation are from 9 in the morning until 8 in the evening, Monday through Saturday. Again, I'd like to thank you for joining me on this walk around video. We hope to see you soon here at Randy Curnow, Buick GMC.